The World Tourism Day 2019 is observed at the Longmai Ground in Noni. Today's celebration is attended by Chief Minister N. Biren, Consumer Affairs Minister Karam Shyam, YAS Minister Latpao Haukip, Chairman of TCML Dr. Sapam Ranjan Singh, along with MLA of 52 Tamai constituency, Awangbao Nyumai, as chief guest. The day will highlight glittering culture and entertainment programs in the afternoon. Federation of Government College Teachers Association Manipur has suspended its agitation till 21st October as per reports. The decision was made after representatives of the association held a talk with the concerned authority regarding its demand on implementation of 7th UGC Pay and Regulation 2019. The temporary Mau market was opened at Kwakaitel Akamlaikai from this morning. Many people thronged the Mau market to buy fresh and organic vegetables and fruits from the market. Mau market has been opening in various parts of the Imphal city from time to time, considering public's demand of Mau products. As a part of Swachh Hi Seva campaign, Thoubal Police in association with Thoubal Municipal Council and Thoubal DC office conducted a cleanliness drive in different important venues of Thoubal district this morning. The event was attended by several police officials and others. An orientation cum meeting of Northeast youth and student leaders was held yesterday at the Don Bosco Navjivan Society in Chandigarh. As per reports, the meeting was held to discuss the forthcoming celebration of 5th Northeast Youth Fest. In all 24 youth leaders representing all the 8 Northeast states of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Sikkim and Tripura participated in the meet. It was initiated by Don Bosco Youth Center, Itanagar in collaboration with the Don Bosco Navjivan Society. About a dozen MPs, state ministers and MLAs from the hill states of the Indian Himalayan region participated at the High Panel Parliamentarians Legislators Dialogue on Water Policy for the Indian Himalayan region in Bengaluru on Wednesday, according to the report. The members raised several critical areas of concern with regard to water source, water quality, management, increasing water scarcity, and rapid decline in freshwater biodiversity. The event was organized by the Integrated Mountain Initiative and supported by Devchita Center for Climate Change at the Indian Institute of Science and Indian Himalayas Climate Adaptation Program.